Hey modern workers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we are here to help you master the art of balancing life and work while staying super efficient. Our motto, work smart, live fully. Today, we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for many of us, burnout. But don't worry, we're not just going to talk about the usual advice, we're bringing you some innovative strategies to help you overcome burnout and thrive in your professional and personal life. So let's get started. First things first, let's understand what burnout really is. Burnout is a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by excessive and prolonged stress. It can make you feel overwhelmed, emotionally drained, and unable to meet constant demands. Burnout isn't just about feeling tired. It's about feeling disconnected from your work, losing motivation, and even experiencing physical symptoms like headaches or insomnia. According to the Mayo Clinic, burnout can also involve feeling useless, powerless, and trapped. Recognizing these signs early can help you take action before burnout takes a serious toll on your life. So how do you know if you're experiencing burnout? Here are some key signs to look out for. Number 1, chronic fatigue, feeling tired all the time, even after a good night's sleep. Number 2, cynicism, developing a negative or detached attitude towards your job and colleagues. Number 3, reduced performance, struggling to concentrate, complete tasks, or meet deadlines. Number 4, emotional exhaustion, feeling emotionally drained, overwhelmed, and unable to cope. Number 5, physical symptoms, experiencing headaches, stomach issues, or changes in sleep patterns. Number 6, decreased satisfaction, feeling dissatisfied with your achievements and questioning the value of your work. If you recognize these symptoms in yourself, it might be time to take a step back and address the root causes of your stress. According to WebMD, burnout can also manifest as feeling useless, depressed, and even hating your job. It's important to take these signs seriously and seek support if needed. Now let's talk about some innovative strategies to overcome burnout. These aren't your typical get more sleep or take a vacation tips. We're going deeper. Digital detox with a twist. We all know that reducing screen time can help, but let's take it a step further. Try implementing tech-free zones in your home. Designate specific areas where no electronic devices are allowed. This could be your bedroom, dining room, or even a cozy reading nook. By creating these tech-free zones, you can give your mind a break from constant notifications and digital distractions. You'd be surprised how refreshing it is to have spaces where you can truly disconnect and recharge. Plus, it encourages more meaningful interactions with family and friends. Mindfulness and micro breaks. Mindfulness is more than just meditation. It's about being present in the moment. Try incorporating short, mindful activities throughout your day. This could be as simple as taking a few deep breaths, focusing on the sensation of your feet on the ground, or even savoring the taste of your morning coffee. Pair this with micro breaks, short, frequent breaks during your workday. Research shows that taking a 5-minute break every hour can significantly boost productivity and reduce stress. Use these breaks to stretch, walk around, or practice a quick mindfulness exercise. Creative outlets and hobbies. Engaging in creative activities can be a fantastic way to relieve stress and prevent burnout. Whether it's painting, writing, gardening, or playing a musical instrument, find something that brings you joy and allows you to express yourself. Having a creative outlet not only provides a mental break from work, but also gives you a sense of accomplishment and fulfillment outside of your professional life. Flexible work arrangements. If your job allows it, explore options like remote work, flexible hours, or a compressed work week. Flexibility can help you manage your time better and reduce the stress of a rigid schedule. Don't be afraid to have an open conversation with your employer about your needs. Many companies are becoming more open to flexible work arrangements, especially in the wake of recent global events. Building a support network. Surround yourself with people who understand and support you. This could be family, friends, colleagues, or even a mentor. Having a strong support network can provide you with the emotional and practical support you need to navigate challenging times. Don't hesitate to reach out and share your feelings with those you trust. Sometimes, just talking about what you're going through can make a huge difference. So there you have it, 5 innovative strategies to help you overcome burnout. Remember, it's all about finding what works best for you and making small, consistent changes to improve your overall well-being. Remember, burnout is a sign that something needs to change. By taking proactive steps and trying out these innovative strategies, you can overcome burnout and create a healthier, more balanced life. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow remote workers. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks from the modern workers. We've also provided links to some of the tools we mentioned in the description box below, just in case you want to check them out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.